Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Diamond Painting by Nat. I couldn't resist and I ordered approximately 14 more diamond painting kits from Joann. It was really very cheap because they were all on sale, and the majority of the kits that I purchased were like maximum $14 or less. I actually received this order in two parts. This is the first one, and the second one is expected to arrive tomorrow, and I will make another video. There are more interesting kits over there. The Russian kit, the kit from a Russian company that I wanted to try, it was pretty expensive, $40, although other kits were cheap, from like, I don't know, $10 to $14. They were on a big sale, but I will show it to you tomorrow. So let's see what kits I purchased in this order, what kits came in this order, and of course we will make an unboxing of each of them, but in another video. This is the second part of the package. I ordered a few kits for the children from Diamond Dots. Here they are. I'm going to diamond paint it with my daughter, and most likely we are going to modify all those kits with crystals. I also purchased this cross-stitch kit for my mom from Russian company Riolis, and this diamond painting kit also from Russian company Riolis. I didn't know that they sell it in Joann store. This package is the second part of the Joann store order that I had. And I really liked this design. It is pretty small, 10 by 15 inches. I really liked the design. I don't know why. You know that I'm not a fan of diamond painting the animals, but this very design is, I don't know, it attracted my attention. It looks mysterious, and as far as I understand, this is a completed picture, and taking into consideration the size, it turned out way more detailed than the designs of the size. More than that, I think that I can modify this kit with a lot of really nice crystal accents and AB accents. So today I would like to unbox this very design from Russian company Riolis. This size is 27 by 38 centimeters. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit. I have diamond painted the Russian diamond painting kit only once, and I was not really very happy about it. My mom brought it from Russia. It was super expensive. It was $50, and I ran into a lot of problems with it. As far as I remember, it is either my first or second video on the channel, so if you want, you can watch it. But I found out that Joann is also selling another Russian company, kits, Riolis, and I really liked this design. I don't know why, but it somehow attracted me. Maybe the color combination, I don't know. But I decided to give it a try. It was not on sale. It was $38, which is super expensive for such a small kit. But I like how it looks completed. So now, if we look at the canvas, the material is really very nice, the same as in Diamond Dots. This is woven polyester or just regular polyester. So this is the fabric canvas that I like very much. This is my favorite type of canvas, polyester one. I also like the symbol printing. It is really very well recognizable. It is very clear, and what I like the best is that the square symbols are not traced in those black wheels, you know. So really very nice. When I actually opened it, I got scared that it was a partial diamond painting because of this you see blue color. I thought that it was just a background, but when I looked at it, I realized that these are symbols, and the way they look like a solid background, a partial solid background, because there are no those black wheels around it, which is great. The kit contains 20 colors, and I'm not sure if it is color related, the pattern itself, the chart itself, and the final result, because if we look at the raven, by the way, the name of the diamond painting is Wise Raven. If we look at the chart, for example, I do not, I mean, the raven looks kind of blurry. I'm sorry for the sound. And the final picture shows like, it's really very detailed. You can see every single feather on the raven. So I really hope that the final turnout will be like on this photograph, not as it is on the chart. So that is why I'm kind of doubting that the design is color related. I think that there are a few colors that are not really the same as they appear on the design. They're a little bit more dull maybe, which is good. Now let's have a look at the diamonds. That's how the design, that's what design includes. The legend, a very peculiar triangle tray. The white one, I've never worked with those before. The tweezers, and really very nice drills. Beautiful bright colors, and I really hope that they will blend in perfectly on the canvas. Here they are. Unfortunately, they are not packaged in individual Ziploc bags. I hate kitting up for my projects, but oh well. At least from what I see, the quality of the drills looks pretty nice. Here they all are. And of course, I am thinking of modifying this kit with AB diamonds. I have square AB diamonds, and I also have a few sparklers for squares. This is my kitty cam to help me out. I also wanted to show you a few projects. One is the cross that my daughter was working on, and she finished it right away today. I mean, you saw it being packaged in the parcel, and now it's already completed. It took you like 30 minutes to do that. This is the original picture. That's how it was supposed to be, but we replaced diamonds, resin drills with crystals. We left only yellow AB diamonds. She also completed this beautiful unicorn. We replaced all the colors except of the white ABs, and I think it looks way better than the original one. And we modified it with crystal accents, as you see, and two more AB colors. That's how this diamond painting was supposed to look originally. And one more project that I'm working on, I'm not going to show you the complete result because it is pretty personal, and it shows the name of my company, which I don't want to share with anyone. I'm doing a custom. It is going to be a present for my regional manager. She did a lot of things for me, and for Thanksgiving I wanted to give her the present like my company's top regional. So I think it is unique, and hopefully she's gonna like it. She likes sparkle. I gave her a diamond painting before, and she seemed to like it. So I really hope that she's gonna love this one. I purchased it on AliExpress from DPF factory store, round resin drills. But of course, once it was delivered and I began to work on it, what I did, I replaced regular white resin drills with white AB diamonds from Diamond Dots, and also resin drills, green resin drills with crystals. So as soon as I am done with this project, I will start working on this red flower. We are going to unbox it tomorrow. Most probably it's also going to be the gift for my regional manager who loves red color, but for her birthday. The other one is for Thanksgiving. And then I will start this very design. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.